Hey guys, today I'm at Walmart and we're going to look for house cleaning non-toxic stuff without breaking the bank. And in fact, I'm going to show you that a lot of these hacks are going to save you money and your health. My name is Dr. Anna Maria Tempa. I am your holistic pediatrician on call. My expertise is eczema and my mission is to help inspire, educate, and empower families to raise healthy kids in this unhealthy world. And we're going to talk about our indoor environment and how all this can be toxic and what you can do about it. Food for thought. Labels on these products say hazardous to humans and domestic animals, yet we spray this on our dishes, our countertops, and other surfaces. Did you know that detergents and household cleaners, their ingredients do not need to meet any health standards, nor do they go through any testing before they are brought to market? As you guys have learned in my book, Healthy Kids in Unhealthy World, you know that I use EWG and Think Dirty app to figure out this chemical experiment and to know what I can bring into my household without harming my children or my pets. Fortunately, all these detergents are filled with various ingredients that are endocrine disruptors, allergy issues, asthma, eczema, and so forth. But what is a person to buy? In the laundry section, we have two options. We have sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. Both of these can be used individually or together to help wash clothes in for laundry. You can use these to scrub countertops, scrub your pots and pans, and to reduce odorous stuff in your refrigerator, in your house, and in your teenagers' shoes. What is the difference between these two besides one molecule? This one actually works at a higher pH and is better at getting rid of hard water stains. This is also a great option for a dishwasher detergent when you want to save a buck and you want to. For white clothes, do we use bleach? Of course not. This is associated with a lot of issues with asthma, eczema, and in fact, people who use a lot of bleach products in their household have more colds, more tonsillitis, and more flu than people who avoid bleach products as cleaners in their home. A great way to brighten your whites is actually hydrogen peroxide. They're currently out of it here at Walmart, but you'll see it's 4 cents per ounce. It comes in a brown bottle, and it's a non-toxic way to get white clothes. To get rid of pit stains on shirts, I actually use hydrogen peroxide and baking soda combination. I make a paste, leave it on the armpit stain, wash the laundry as usual the next day. Pit stains are gone. But what should we use instead of these toxic chemicals on our dishes that our children put in their mouth? Is actually we have this, the 9 Elements Dish Liquid Soap. It's loved by EWG and Think Dirty app. It's $1.97 for. But what about Cascade? We don't want those on our dishes. What do we have instead? As we discussed, we can use this as our powder in our automatic dishwasher with a side of white vinegar. But what about the rinse aids? Don't we need rinse aids? You could actually use vinegar in most machines instead of rinse aid, which is going to be a whole lot cheaper than this 39 cents per ounce. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a couple of finds at Thrive Market, which is an online grocery store that's going to help you find items that are non-toxic. It's going to save you money and your health. So watch all the way till the end. A lot of people will use these items to do good deep scrubbing, but did you know you could actually just use this to put on your sponge and use it exactly as you would use it? Now for floors, a lot of people are used to using Pine Sol because we are told that clean smells like, I don't know, pine, I guess. Clean does not have a smell. Walk with me into the food section where I can show you better alternatives. So we're here in the salad dressing section, and what we have here is actually apple cider vinegar, and this is amazing for all kinds of floors. Hardwood floors, wax floors, vinyl floors. This is what I've been using for over 50. Also in the salad dressing section, we have white vinegar, which we discussed can be used as a rinse aid in your dishwasher, can be used to take smell away from nasty clothes. Now here's the thing, the oven cleaner, right? You think you might need this stuff, which is incredibly toxic. Did you know that you could make a paste with this, put it all over your oven, give it an hour, and then you spray it with your white vinegar? Of course, you could use this for your oven cleaner instead of the laundry booster. All right, let me check out the few items I got here from Walmart and let me show you what's going on at Thrive Market. Before going to Thrive Market, I did want to show you the pure Castile soap. I could not find it at Walmart. This is much cheaper than a Thrive Market, and this is a soap that you use. You dilute it into a gallon of water and you make laundry detergent. You could use it to make dishwashing detergent. You can wash your children, your hair, your pets. So it's a one product with multiple uses, saving a lot of money and your health. On to Thrive Market, the online grocery store. This company, I like their Dishwasher Rinse Aid. No nasties, and it's at $3.99 for 8 ounces. Thrive Market has wool balls, and this is what I use instead of dryer sheets. However, these are the cheapest I found, are actually at Trader Joe's for $5.99. Well, I hope that this was helpful and you got lots of ideas on how to change out a lot of the toxic products in your home for better variety. And not only are you going to save your health, but you're also going to save a lot of money. My name is Dr. Anna Maria Temple. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.